Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through thousands of IPTV channels, struggling to locate your favorites? Imagine transforming this daunting task into a smooth experience, getting direct access to all your top channels. Today, we'll reveal the secret method to add and organize channels into your IPTV favorites list effortlessly. First, ensure your IPTV provider supports the functionality 2TV.store is a great example offering this feature. Locate the Favorites option in your IPTV menu, typically found under Settings or by long pressing a channel. Adding a channel to favorites is easy. Just select it and hit the star icon or Add to Favorites. Customize your list. Arrange your favorite shows in order, ensuring easy navigation for future enjoyment. Quick tip: regularly update your favorites to reflect your latest viewing interests and remove old channels. With 2TV.store, access an impressive array of channels, ensuring a tailored IPTV experience anywhere. Their intuitive interface allows seamless channel addition and removal, making TV setup remarkably easy. Take advantage of their ongoing promotions and elevate your IPTV viewing with one trusted provider. Whether you're watching in the United States or the United Kingdom, 2TV.store has got you covered. Remember, your favorites list is key to a streamlined viewing experience and saves precious time. Join thousands of satisfied users and make your IPTV setup a breeze with our top recommendations. Ready to transform your viewing pleasure? Start by adding channels to your IPTV favorites right now. Subscribe for more IPTV hacks and exclusive offers on 2TV.store, the ultimate streaming provider.